Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to log into Belfius Bank. First, take your smartphone and open the Play Store. Download and install the Belfius app from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. The Belfius app will start and you will see the welcome screen. On this screen, you will be asked to log in. Tap on the Login button to continue. Next, the app will ask you to choose the type of card you want to use to log in. You will see two options on the screen. One option is the web card. The other option is the easeable card, depending on your access method. Carefully choose the option that matches the card you have. If you select the web card option, the app will ask you to enter your card number. Take your Belfius web card and look at the bottom of the card. You will find the card number printed there. Carefully type this card number into the app. Make sure all numbers are entered correctly. If you select the easeable card option, the app will ask for your user ID instead of a card number. You can find your user ID on your Belfius access card or on the activation letter you received from the bank. Enter the user ID exactly as it appears on the document. After entering the required information, follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may be asked to confirm your identity using additional security steps. Once everything is confirmed, you will be logged into the Belfius app. Thanks for watching.